Good morning guys, welcome to my vlog. And it's been many weeks after since my last video. However, I was reminded to keep being consistent with my vlog, so here I am today. First of all, why is my hair like this? Last night was extremely hot. If you guys are in the UK right now, especially London, the weather is literally like 29 degrees, 30 degrees right now. And trust me, like last night I could not sleep with my half wig on my head. Like it was too much. Although I got up around 7 AM in the morning already, had a shower, brushed my teeth. Right now I'm currently washing my laundry clothes because it's that time of the day right now. And yes guys, I'm wearing a top. I am not naked. You can hear in the background that is the washing machine. I should have closed my door actually. Also guys, I've been thinking to changing my name from Dreamy to Angeline. I'm leaning towards that way because I like my name Angeline, to be honest. I'm getting to outgrowing it now. I'd rather my real name, do you know what I mean? So just to do a 5 months makeup is taking me about half an hour right now, 45 minutes, because I keep stopping pending to take care of my child. But it's like, god damn, my energy is just going away. Lord, give me strength because I feel like giving up. Yeah, it's my morning look for today. Okay guys, I'm gonna clean up the counter right now and wash up the remaining dishes for the morning, and then hang out the clothes for now. I have like 3 washes to do. Twinkle, 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 little star, how I wonder. Let's start cleaning now. I just packed away all my clothes and my children's clothes away. Now it's time for pedi and manicure. Guys, I'm getting ready to meet up with my sister because it is so hot right now, so I don't want to stay inside for another day and do nothing than watching vlogs and TV shows, and I'm just getting bored, so time to head outside. I look so tan in this camera, but I ain't that tanned. I feel so alive today. I don't know if it's because I haven't eaten any carbs to feel sluggish. I feel great today. This is quite dark, but when I apply this to my face, I look so tanned out. I'm gonna apply it just a little because it is hot outside. It's hot. I love it. She Glam Lippy. Hey lovelies, this is finished look. Right now I'm wearing a green dress by Bershka, and this normal brown bag by, I think it's by Reese. Reese here were gifted to me. These hoops I got like years back. I think I got them actually. Guys, it is scorching hot, really hot. Like it's really hot. Can't even express how hot it is. I feel like I'm in Jamaica right now. Honestly, I feel like I'm in Jamaica. Anyhow, I went to my mother's house just a while ago. My sister's not ready, as per usual. Whenever I make plans with her, she always don't get ready. Always get ready after I arrive. Anyhow, I'm gonna go to the car wash now to wash my car. I'm gonna wash the outside bit, that is it, because when they clean the inside, to me personally, they don't clean it good. So I'm gonna go to the car wash now and just wash the outside of my car and come back. Hopefully then she'll be ready. But yeah, outside is literally hot. Alright, let me go now, guys. So we are currently going to go to Creams. It's a little walkabout and it's on hot. It's about a 30-minute walk, so we're gonna do that. And it should be fun, I guess. Guys, look at the glow. It's really hot. Really hot. Anyway, let's have a little walk to go to Creams.
It feels like Jamaica.
That's what I said in the video. I told you it feels like I'm in Jamaica because it's not only me. I told you it's really hot. No, but now it's colder because before it was really hot. What now?
I put the glasses down.
Okay, so we're not here at this dessert shop and they do have what we want, so I'm gonna order the churros, the cinnamon sprinkle, and it comes with the chocolate sauce. I think it's something else as well. I can't remember what it is right now. And then I'm gonna order pistachio ice cream, 1 scoop. I'm gonna order a cake for my mom because she wants a chocolate cake. Yeah, a little day out.